I'm going to break down how boilers work in the simplest way possible, and I challenge myself to explain it all without using any complicated jargon. Boilers are an essential part of many heating systems, and understanding how they work can make a huge difference in terms of safety and efficiency. Many people assume boilers are just complicated, mysterious machines that somehow magically heat up water or produce steam. But in reality, they're actually pretty straightforward once you understand the basics. The problem is, most explanations out there are full of technical jargon that can be overwhelming, and that's exactly why I want to help you understand boilers in a simple, easy-to-digest way. One common misconception about boilers is that they're somehow responsible for actually heating the water or air in your home. But that's not entirely accurate. Another misconception is that boilers are only used in older homes or commercial buildings, when in fact they're still widely used today in many different types of applications. I've heard some people say that boilers are basically just big kettles that always need to be on in order to produce heat, but that's not true either. So let's clear up these misconceptions and get down to the basics of how boilers really work. The burner is the part of the boiler that's responsible for igniting the fuel, such as natural gas or oil, to produce heat. The heat exchanger is where the heat from the burner is transferred to the water, and the controls are what regulate the entire process to ensure safe and efficient operation. The burner, heat exchanger, and controls all work together to convert fuel into heat, and then circulate that heat to where it's needed. The heat exchanger is the heart of the boiler, and it's where the magic happens, or rather, where the heat is transferred from the burner to the water. In simple terms, here's how it works. The burner ignites the fuel, which produces heat that's then transferred to the water through the heat exchanger. This heated water is then circulated through your home, providing warmth and comfort. The process is actually quite elegant in its simplicity, and once you understand it, you'll realize that boilers aren't as complicated as they seem. The key takeaway is that boilers don't actually make heat. They just convert one type of energy into another, and then circulate that energy to where it's needed. To recap, boilers are essential components of many heating systems, and understanding how they work is crucial for safety, efficiency, and overall peace of mind. By breaking down the main components and how they interact, we can get a much better understanding of the entire process. If you've got any questions about boilers or have a specific question about how they work, please leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about home heating systems, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the world of heating and cooling.